ये नर्सरी तुम बना के रखो, तुम अपनी
80 ganja plants, 2 kg cannabis in this house in Greater Noida. A man was caught growing cannabis in a high-tech setup inside his 10th floor apartment in Greater Noida. The accused Rahul Chaudhary had cultivated over 80 cannabis plants in more than 50 pots over the past 4 months using specialized lights to mimic sunlight.
क्योंकि फ्लैट में सनलाइट नहीं होती थी तो सनलाइट की भी एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए इसने बताया था कि अमेज़ॉन से कुछ फुल स्पेक्ट्रम लाइट्स हैं जो इसने मंगाई थी और जिससे वो सनलाइट वाला एनवायरनमेंट ये क्रिएट करता था.
He allegedly sold premium quality cannabis known as OG through the dark web, fulfilling on-demand orders discreetly, police said.
ये OG प्लांट जो होता है इससे वीड जो है एक्सट्रैक्ट होता है. इसने ये जो इसके सीड्स हैं, ये एक सीड्समैन करके एक वेबसाइट है जो कि एक फॉरेन बेस्ड कंपनी है, उससे मंगाता था पेपल के थ्रू पेमेंट करके. उसके बाद उन सीड्स को अपने ही फ्लैट में इंडोर में फार्म करता था. एक प्लांट को बनाने में इसको 100 डेज 110 दिन लगते हैं और एक प्लांट में जो लागत सारी चीज़ों की मिला के आ रही थी इसको 5 to 6,000 की आ रही थी, जिसको 50 to 60,000 रुपीज़ में एक प्लांट को ये डार्क वेब पे अलग अलग चैट रूम्स में जाके इसने कुछ सेल भी किए हैं और आगे भी ये डार्क वेब पे ही सेल करता था. तो इस तरह से इसका पूरा ये एक बिजनेस मॉडल था.
A joint raid by the Narcotics Department and local police uncovered the operation, seizing cannabis worth several lakhs.
ये इंग्लिश ग्रेजुएट है और इसने जो बताया कि इस तरह का आइडिया इसको अलग अलग टीवी सीरीज जो है नारकोटिक्स से रिलेटेड और इंटरनेट के माध्यम से इसको ये चीज़ प्राप्त हुई थी और इसने फिर ये करने का सोचा था.
This incident is not isolated. Earlier in November, a Bengaluru couple was arrested for growing cannabis in 2 pots on their balcony, allegedly using it as home decor. The matter came to light after the wife posted photos on Facebook. Similar cases have surfaced in the recent past. In Bengaluru 2023, a software engineer was arrested for growing ganja on his terrace using YouTube tutorials and a hydroponic setup. In Delhi 2021, a retired officer was found cultivating ganja in his backyard, claiming it was for medicinal use. In Mumbai 2020, a fitness trainer grew cannabis on his balcony for organic protein shakes, leading to his arrest. In Hyderabad 2019, a businessman was caught cultivating ganja on his rooftop greenhouse, allegedly selling small amounts. Police confiscated over 20 plants. In Goa 2018, a young couple was arrested for running a mini cannabis farm in a rented villa using imported seeds and organic fertilizers. People are increasingly inspired to grow cannabis at home due to social media tutorials and the glamorization of cannabis cultivation in movies and web series like Breaking Bad and Weeds. The global trend towards legalization, particularly in the US and Canada, gives a false sense of security, making some believe it's safe to do the same in India. Additionally, growing awareness of cannabis' medicinal benefits for pain relief and stress reduction drives people to try cultivating it themselves for personal use. Despite its illegal status in India, people still attempt to cultivate cannabis, probably because they underestimate or are unaware of the severe legal penalties. In India, growing cannabis at home is illegal under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. Cultivating cannabis without government authorization can result in severe penalties. Small quantity, which is up to 1 kg, can get you 1 year of imprisonment or a fine of 10,000 rupees or both. Beyond small quantity, which is between 1 kg and 20 kg, there is up to 10 years of imprisonment and a fine up to 1 lakh rupees. Commercial quantity, which is 20 kg or more, there is 10 to 20 years of imprisonment with a fine between 1 lakh to 2 lakh rupees. Only licensed cultivation for medical or industrial purposes is permitted. Growing cannabis at home, even for personal use, can lead to criminal charges and strict punishment.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today News Mo.